Just wanted to address a few things before we get this course started. And the first would be my teaching style. And if you've ever taken any of my courses, or if you've taken my iOS 8 design course, then you'll know I like to teach by diving right in. As opposed to me telling you everything about how WordPress works, we're simply going to open up WordPress and we're going to start building a website. And that way, everything is hammered into your mind as we repeat these steps and we continue to build the website. And that's the way I like to teach. Now the second thing I wanted to address is that the first website that we'll be building, the one-page business theme, is a absolutely 100% free theme. We will not have to buy anything. The resume, the second one we're going to be building, has a price tag of $38, so if you want to continue at that point, you can go ahead and buy the theme, and I recommend everyone do that because it's going to be really cool. You're going to have an online resume. Also, I want you guys to understand that this course operates under the assumption that the student has zero experience with WordPress and zero experience with FTP or working with domains or hosting or plugins or any of that stuff. So it will be comprehensive. We're going to start from the beginning and make sure that everyone's caught up just so we can cover all our ends.